God. Woo. Damn. Oh my God. Look at the power lines. Ugh. This is a hill. He has got to go. It is?
Yeah, you can drive over it.
Let this white car go all the way, because if you stop in the middle, then we got a problem. Oh my God!
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
Oh, please.
Oh,
smoke.
shoot.
Do not take your foot off the gas.
Yeah. Wow. Oh my God. Oh, look at that truck. Oh.
Sorry, person with that truck.
Okay, this is a little crazy right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I'm trying to get back.
This is what we're going to have to do.
Yeah, this person has got to keep going in this white car, or you going.
That's why. Yeah, no.
Yep.
I got the climbers on the front.
Okay. All right.
That's Miss Pat's house right there.
Yeah.
Damn, look at the tree in the front yard. It fell over.
Oh, shoot. She got blessed.
She can't get out of there, though.
We're blessed.
She ain't getting out of
Yeah,
there.
she ain't getting out, though.
They're going to take that tree out.
Wow, Miss Pat. I'm so sorry. It's her neighbor who's going to have to pay for it, though. Good, she don't have to.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is a mess.
I'm glad we did.
It is a natural disaster right here. Look at this.
Oh my
God.
Jesus be with us. Thank you for traveling mercy.
I'm sorry. I'm putting it back on two-wheel because, I mean, the four-wheel high because we're not going uphill.
Oh, yes. So you did four-wheel?
Yeah, I'm going back to four-wheel high.
Do you think you need to go and check on her?
No, this probably not.
And we can't do nothing?
Nothing you can do.
We just drove past it.
Yeah. And we see the tree across the driveway.
Yeah.
They got mac and cheese, lobster